Namaste and hello friends. Welcome to Ruby on Rails Bootcamp overview video. In this video, we are going to see the bootcamp overview, a feedback cycle demo, and the eligibility and admission process. Few important details about the bootcamp. It is an online and interactive training program. It is fully practical and feedback oriented. It will run around 1.5 months, 6 weeks, 3 sessions per week, and around 1.5 to 3 hours per session. There will be only 10 students per batch. Yes, only 10 students. The fees is as reasonable as 15,000 per student. The prerequisite for this bootcamp is you need to have good knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Workflow of the bootcamp. We will have theory and practical demos during our session. An assignment is given and you are expected to submit within a time frame. A feedback is given and you need to work on those feedbacks. You can get complete overview of the bootcamp in the link below. Let's check that link. If you go to the URL brgtrainings.com bootcamps/Ruby on Rails, you will find this page. It has complete details of the bootcamp. Why learn Ruby on Rails? It is one of the popular web framework to build modern web application. It is one of the startup web framework. You can click here to read more. It has also an established job market. You can check this link. It is one of the friendly framework and easy in learning. It has a very friendly and large Ruby community. Who are using Ruby on Rails? You can see that there are bunch of companies listed here which I have taken from stackshare.io, and they have listed around 3000 plus companies which are using Rails. If you click this image, you will get more lists. So these are the few Ruby on Rails applications we will build during this bootcamp. The first one is simple voting app in Sinatra. Sinatra is a tiny web framework built in Ruby. You can click this video icon to preview the app. There is a blogging app in Rails where we will implement most of the Rails features and try to understand them. You can click on the icon to preview it. The others apps are listed as practice app which you can work. So this is my brief introduction. You can go through it. These are few things which you are going to learn in this bootcamp. And these are the target positions this bootcamp covers. After completion of this bootcamp, you can apply for following work positions: junior Ruby on Rails developer, junior backend developer, junior full stack developer, and freelance Ruby on Rails engineer. This is the detailed curriculum. This bootcamp is structured into 7 phases, and you can see the 7 phases are listed here. The first one is preparation. It will take 1 session. The second and third are about Ruby language. The fourth phase is about advanced Ruby and Sinatra. On the fifth phase, we are going to create a basic CRUD app in Rails and try to understand the different components. On the sixth phase, we will deep dive into its advanced concept. On the seventh phase, we will build projects and deploy to some hosting platform. You can go through all the syllabus at your appropriate time. It is listed in the website. At the last, what's next from here? As I said, after completion of this bootcamp, you can have following option based on your interest. You can check for some Ruby on Rails developer positions and apply to them. Second, you can keep practicing and making Ruby on Rails project. I would suggest try different domain as well. You can look for open source Ruby on Rails project and try to contribute them. This will help you connect with other Rails developers around the world. Fourth, if you have an idea, you can build the application out of it and even start your own startup. There are many startups which has been started like this way. Remember, learning is a continuous process and this bootcamp is just the beginning. I wish you a good luck. Now let's check the feedback cycle demo. You can see I am in different OS, that is Ubuntu 20.04, and I have my Rails installed. Now I'm going to create the first app. First app, that is blog app. For that, I just need to do Rails new dev blog. Then the Rails binary will bootstrap the basic Rails application. So these are the packages being installed by Rails, which are necessary for the web application development. Now it is installing Webpacker. We will see all these in details during bootcamp. You can see our application has been created. I just entered into the dev block and then I do Rails S to start the server. It will start at 3000 port, and in your browser just open localhost 3000 and you will get a welcome page from Rails. Now suppose my app is ready. I just need to git add. For that, I need to be in some branch. Let's remove that the old blog. Now let's add the dev blog to git. Now if you are getting this error, then it means there is a .git directory inside your dev block in your application. Just remove that .git which is not required. Now if you try to add dev blog now, it will be added. You can see the status file. Now git commit with a dev blog app skeleton, and then you can check the commit logs. Now just git push the branch name or head. You can do this, or you can do git push branch, git push origin branch name. Just copy it and then paste there and then just enter it. Add your credentials and then it should be done. Now once you push the branch, go to your GitHub repo, click on the new pull request. So this is the target, which is find master. Then the head repository, we need to click on the branch and then you will see this commit and the changed files. Click on the pull request, give some message like this review, and then leave a comment like this fix hash. So hash will basically give the list of the issues, and then write some comment which will help me to understand what you have added in this pull request. Now you can see I am in Mac again. I'm checking one of the student pull request, and that student is Gorkhali student, and his commit is this dayblock app skeleton. He has changed around 92 files, and now my job is to give review. So I'm giving few review comments here. These are few comments I'm giving for the demo purpose. Okay, once I'm done with my review comments, I have three options, that is comment, approve, or request changes. If I don't like your changes, then I will click on request changes. If I liked all your code and you are ready to go to the next move, then I will click on the approve. Right now, I am clicking on approve and giving some comment and telling that to proceed to next step. Once this is done, I will close this pull request, and you should merge your branch to your local master in your machine. You can go to issues, and there are many issues you will go through during this bootcamp. Eligibility and admission process. The student should be able to dedicate 2 to 4 hours per session for practice. The admission process is simple. Message me in social media. We will have some conversation, or it will kind of an interview. Fees will be paid, and then slot will be booked. Thank you. See you soon.